Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube. Special thanks and appreciation to all subscribers and to everyone supports this channel. Please check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload the videos regularly, services and entertainments. And we need your support, so please subscribe, like and share. Without your support, we can't continue. Anyway, so this video, it's about this laptop. It's a ThinkPad, and this laptop, it's really great laptop. It's very fast. I'll have a video about reviewing this laptop. And so this laptop is when I hook up, plugged in the power, the battery is not charging, and so I did basically reset and install the stuff like that, installing the software and reinstall again. It didn't work, so stick around, you will see how to fix this laptop. Lenovo and ThinkPad. This is the model number here, and it's a T470S, and it's a Windows 10 i7 Core i7 7th generation. This is the back of the laptop here, and so basically I have to disassemble, open the back cover off, remove it, and remove the battery, and then that will reset the battery, and then we'll install it back again, and we'll see if that is going to work or not. You see, it will stop in about a few seconds. It's not, this is just showing it's charging, but it's not. Now stop, and when I press on the, it says only 4%, which is stays always 4%. So we'll be fixing this problem. Stick around and watch the entire video, please, to see how it's done. First of all, I'll have to see now when I unplug it. Basically, it tells me to unplug the cable back on, but it's not charging. So I'm gonna have to turn off the computer. Now we need to remove those covers. There are the screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like a lock for something, I don't know. Okay, this is another screw. So flat screwdriver like this should work. Five. So here, I think it's nice. And since we're going to be removing the battery, we basically good idea to clean. You see this dirt? It's better to clean them before we put everything back again. And the best way is to clean this fan. All the dust will make a huge for the performance of the computer. So basically, cleaning all the dust and everything will make the computer perform really nice, and also preventing any overheat or any kind of other problem. This is the to install extra memory slot here if you want to install. And yeah, this computer is really complicated and it's super nice. It's one of the best so far I have used, and it's super fast. You'll see how fast this computer is. And also I'll put another link reviewing this computer because it's one of the best, really good computer, and pretty much it does all the prescription what it says about the computer. So it's a really nice, super fast computer. I mean, yeah, laptop. So by the way, this laptop, the Lenovo ThinkPad, has two batteries, and this one is the first battery here, you see. So that's the first battery here. .46 volt. This is the second battery here. .25 volt. So I'm gonna be removing this battery. This is the main battery here, and this is the second one for backup. I think I'll leave this battery as is, but I'll focus on this one first. Remove this battery. Hopefully this will solve the problem, and to kind of get the laptop charging the battery again by just removing it and install it back. So if you have a compressor, you can use it. If you don't, just use any sprayer with air compressor or something. Removing this battery, there is 1, 2, 3 screws holding this battery, and you need small Phillips screwdriver. So by the way, you need the right Phillips screwdriver, just the right size, because those are really tiny screws. Otherwise the screws you won't be able to remove them. So the 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the main battery, and of course the second one is here. This battery also, it's for motherboard, and this one, it's if you want to reset your motherboard, this battery just unplugged this connector from here and will reset the motherboard. Okay. Without battery, just trying to see, no power, nothing. And what I'll do, I'll plug the AC power here cable to see if the computer runs without battery. Oh, the interrupt. See, it says, that's what it says. Oh, it's yeah, it's running, but kind of interrupted with something. Okay, so it's running without the main battery, but it's interrupted. So here are you see this, however, is still showing here. So I probably have to remove the other battery as well, and we'll see how it goes. For the other battery here, I also remove this one, and it has 2 screws. Now we're just gonna hook her up to the power again and see if it's gonna be powered up, and we'll see. 2 batteries being removed. So it's working again. Here is says no batteries at all, so both batteries are being removed, and so I'll install this one first, the big one, and then I'll install the second one after. Okay. Now we'll plug it in to the power and to see if the computer says no battery in. Okay, now it's charging. We'll see how it does. Before it was 7, before it was 4, now it's 6%. 55 minutes until it's charged. So we'll see if this already fixed the problem. If it's gonna be 7, that means it's charging. About 5 minutes, and you can see it's charging. It was 55 minutes, now it's 49 minutes, and it's 15%. It was 6%. So that's already solved the problem. Now I'm gonna install the second battery, and we'll check it out and see if it could be one of the batteries bad, or if not, then it should charge normally. So hook up the power. As you can see, it's charging now, but we'll wait just to make sure before we put the cover back on. So it's 15% now, and we'll pause the video, see if it's going to be charging. As you can see here, battery 1, it's 16%, battery 2, it's 0%. So we'll watch for those numbers. If they're going to be like increasing percentage, that means that both batteries are charging. It's been about almost like 15 minutes, still not charging, always on 15%, and that tells me the second battery, this one here, you can see the problem, the issue. So it's 0%, which is also affecting on the first battery, always at 15 or 16%. So I think one of the battery, the second one, needs to be replaced, which is this one here. This one is the second. This is the first one, and this is the second battery. So if I remove this battery, everything will be recharging, no issues, no problem. I'll turn the computer off first. Those laptop with two batteries, ThinkPad Lenovo, can be kind of tricky, and so you will see if I remove the second battery, the system should, the laptop should charge normally for the first battery, actually. Yeah, so this is the second one. This is the second battery. I'll remove. So I remove this one. I think this is the bad one, and we'll see if it's charging normally. So remember, it was 15%. Now it's 16%. And we'll see if it's going to be increasing normally. I'll pause the video for now. So now it's 17%. See, it's charging normally, no issues, no problem. So this means that battery, it's not good anymore, and it needs to be replaced. One battery, however, this one affecting, you see now it's 18 and it's charging really good. But as soon as I install this battery, the computer won't charge anymore. So this battery is not good anymore. I'll try to order one and install it in. See, now it's 19 and it's charging really fast. $22. So the problem is solved, but unfortunately this battery, it must be replaced in order to get both batteries are charging normally. So there's one thing I'm gonna try before I install this, because I know this is a bad one, but there is one more thing to do. Now it's 77 in one battery only. So I'll go to device manager. I'll go to here, and from here I'll choose battery, and basically I install this one, install device, yes, and install this one too, install this device, yes, and now I'll turn the computer off. As you see, the battery icon is done now, and so turn the computer off. Now I will install this battery in, this one. And before I install this battery, there's one thing I want to do. I'll try to hard reset by just keep pressing for 30 seconds. So I press hold the power button for 30 seconds, and now I'll turn off. Now it's off. And then I'll install this battery back in. Hopefully this will solve the problem. This is last chance and last hope if it's gonna work or not. So now I'll going out the plug-in AC charger. So right now that's the battery 1, 79%, battery 2, it's 0%. So I'll put the power AC cable on. We'll see if it's going to be charging or not. And also in the meantime I'll go to device manager, check for this battery. Okay, now check this one. So 74. Doesn't seem it's being it's charging. Installing this one. Yeah, it seems the battery we just installed simply is not working at all. So I tried different installing the software and reinstall it back again. Everything, it's not working at all. And I tried to make any way possible to recharge this battery here, the second one, but it's not charging. And also you see here for the device manager here. So this is the this one, it's Microsoft AC adapter. That's the main for the plugged in AC cable. Here the first one, it's the main first battery. Here the second battery, that's what is not charging. And I'm trying to do here scan for hardware chains, and also not doing anything. Still 74% here. Battery 2 is 0. And if I install this, the second battery, if I install this one, Microsoft ACPI company control method battery, this second battery will be gone. I'll leave only this one. So try to maybe update and browse, and next Microsoft, it's the best driver already. Search for update. Let's see, view optional update. So hopefully, I hope this update will solve. No, not really. Just optional. So I'm not too sure about this. Let's try this optional. And after update Windows, I'll let you know if we'll continue the video, see if that can solve the issue. So right now it's 100% downloading. Now it will be installing. Now the optional update, it's installing. So yeah, second battery is not charging, still zero. Right now I basically installed the optional updates, and now the window is in update mode, and we'll see after finish the optional updates if that's gonna solve the issue. After optional updates being done, it seems like nothing has to do with the second battery charging, and it's still 0%. That tells me for sure 100% the battery, it's really bad and it needs to be replaced. So no matter what I try to do, it's not gonna help at all. This battery here, you see this one, it's really bad. This one, however, is still okay, but this one is terribly bad, and the problem is affecting on the second, the first one here. So this is the second battery, first battery, this one, the first one, and this is the second battery. So this battery, if it's going to be bad or dying or something, not working anymore, not charging, is affecting on this one, and that's why the laptop is not charging anymore. So by just removing this battery, leaving this one on, it will be, the laptop will be simply charging, no problem at all. And I have also a second laptop, so I'll take the battery from the second laptop and I'll put it here and see if that's the case, then it should be charging normally. So stay tuned, and we'll do that right away. So I got this battery from the second laptop, which is working fine, and I'll remove this one and put this one in, and we'll try if it's gonna solve the problem. So now it's charging fine. I'm just gonna check the second battery, and so you can see battery 1 78%, battery 2 it's fully 100% charged, and that tells me for sure the battery we just removed, it was bad. And to make sure 100% the battery is completely dying or bad, I'll take this battery, this is the bad battery here, and I'll install it to the other laptop, and we'll see if this is the problem. So if it's not charging, see right now it's 88%. If it's not going to be charging with the other laptop with this battery, that means this battery is completely garbage. So this is the other computer, and this is the bad battery I have from the other one. I'll install this one here, and to see if something wrong with the battery or the software. As you see, the second one we just installed, the second battery, and the bad one, it's 0%. Right now it's 88%. So we'll wait and see if the percentage of charging will increase or not. I'll pause the video for now. So far it's been about maybe 5 minutes or so, it's not charging, so definitely that battery is not good anymore. I'll put link in the description below for those batteries, where to find, and try to find like the cheapest possible, maybe on online, and I'll basically order one and install it in, and so you can check if you like to, if you have the same laptop or so you need battery. So for now that's pretty much it. I hope this video it will be helpful for you guys, and if you like this video, please like and share, subscribe to our channel, check out other videos. You may like one and consider subscribe, like and share, please. We need your support. Thank you so much. And by the way, before we end up this video, finally the result is after all, so if you have the battery is not charging, first what you need to do is by going to device manager, and here the device manager, and try to install go to the battery, install all those three, 1 2 3, install them, and remove the plugged in the AC cable power charge, unplug it, restart the computer, and install everything, and then see if that can solve the problem. If it didn't, try to when the computer, turn the computer off from here, and then press and hold for 30 seconds, 10 seconds or 30 seconds. Sometimes some computer 30 seconds, some 30, but 30 seconds just to be sure, and press and hold. That can reset the computer on the laptop, and hope that can solve the problem. If not, then basically the issue is just like in my case, which is the basically this either battery. You can tell which battery is battery 1 or battery 2. So in my case, I have battery 2, which is this one, is not good anymore, need to be replaced. And so that's it for now, and hopefully I hope this video will be useful, helpful for people. Thank you so much for watching, and all the best. See you next video. Finally, one really good thing about those laptop Lenovo ThinkPad, because there are two batteries, one is good, the other one is bad. So I'll leave this one. I'm not gonna install it here because, as you see, it was not charging. So with one battery only, this laptop should work fine, no problem at all, should be charging good. And so you can, I'll remove this, I'll order a new one, I'll leave this one on, and you can see with one battery the laptop should work with no problem at all. So here you can see just one single battery, and put the power plugged in, and turn on, and it should charge with no problem at all, because this battery is not good anymore. So I'll leave it off, and I'm just gonna order one, but at least the laptop is charging with no issues, no problem with one battery. As you can see here, we got battery and 82% so far. I'll pause the video a little bit and see if it's charging fine. So now it's just a minute, less than a minute, and it's been 83, and it's charging really fine, no problem. Now it's just 30 seconds passed, and it's 84. So with one single battery, that's a great benefit about those laptop. One single battery can work, and so this is the bad one, and we'll leave the good one in. So for now, it's thank you again for watching, all the best, and see you next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so we can continue. Thank you, and all the best.